Hello everyone, this is Julian from Kanen Coffee, and today we got this quick mill Silvano Evo in the shop with us. Now we're going to test all the functions of the machine, starting with a shot. We're using our test coffee for this test. Don't worry if the shot comes out too fast or too slow. I did not grind specifically for your machine. We're just making sure water comes out. As you can see, running a little fast, but that's alright. Water's coming out through the front. Then I released all that extra pressure through the back. Now we're going to test the steam functions by turning that on. It's going to turn on the thermal block that's in there, and it's going to start pumping into that thermal block and heating up. And as you can see, really great steam coming out. And yeah, that's about it for this machine. If you like this repair or any of our other videos on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.